Good morning. It's me. I'm back. Um, I'm doing this fairly early this morning. I just want to go ahead and get it done because according to the weather app, it's supposed to start storming here around 11 o'clock this morning. So I don't know. I found that out. I was watching the news at home and they showed a line of storms in the area. So I went and looked up specifically what the weather was supposed to be here, and yeah, we're having storms today, and it's supposed to be raining most of the day. It's nice and cool out this morning. When we got back yesterday from going to town, I was on the Walmart app just looking for some hair care products so I wasn't able to find anything on the Target app that was interesting. So I went to Walmart just to see. And I found some things, and then something just said, look and see what kind of planner stuff they have here. And so I did, and I found a couple of things. So I'm thinking maybe I'll do a pickup to get the hair stuff, maybe Wednesday. Hopefully the stuff that I was looking at as far as the planner stuff will still be there. If not, I'll just do that. And I think I want to get some lemons. I need to get myself together, get back into like doing my apple cider vinegar. I started out well with that when I first got here, but I slacked off. So also yesterday, the governor of Florida announced that the kids would not be going back to school, that they were going to continue the rest of the year with virtual learning. So now that I know that, I can make a better decision on when we're going home. I have to be home by the 13th of May for sure because I have an appointment that I don't really want to miss. I don't feel comfortable yet going to that appointment, but I'm going to call that doctor's office and see if I actually have to come then, or what's going on, if anything has changed before I go. I also had a dentist appointment coming up, but as far as I know, dental offices are all still closed unless it's like an emergency. So, guess I don't know. I'll call Monday and check on that. As far as what I'm going to be doing today, I don't know. Yesterday, after we got back, I watched Father Brown. I think it was, I don't know if I had already played that season. I say play because I think I played it, but I wasn't watching it. It was just like background noise. So I think it was season 7. So I watched that during the day, and I was saving the Mrs. Bradley mysteries for last night. So I watched episodes 3 and 4 last night, and fell asleep on 5. So I'll watch that one tonight after I watch the live stream from the YouTubers that I watch. They actually did a live stream last night around 1 o'clock in the morning. So, of course, I missed that, and they didn't leave it up. So, anyway, I'm going to have to do a little research to see if I can find something else to watch. I like shows like Midsummer Murders. I like Death in Paradise. I could probably watch that again from the beginning. I really like that. It's a corny show, but I don't know. It's corny. I just like corny shows. It's easy to watch. Yeah, I think I might do Death in Paradise again. So I haven't done a haul video in so long. I'm going to attempt to do one this week. So I'm going to include the stuff that I hauled yesterday. And I think I have some footage from before all this started. I haven't even looked at my SD card for hauls. It's like I have SD cards for each type of video pretty much. So I have one for hauls, I have one for playing with me's, I have one for tutorials. So I keep the SD cards separate. And I think today I'm going to try and work on finishing up those journals that I've started, and just I keep I'm doing the same thing that I do when I'm at home. It's like, I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this. And I sit there all day and saying, oh, I need to work on that, I need to work on that. And then I just don't do it. But anyway, so yesterday while I was watching Father Brown, I had printed off a bunch of freebies from Webster's Pages website. And so while I was watching, I sat and fussy cut all of those pages. So I cut out all of the journaling cards and all of the embellishment pieces that came in the freebies. So I got a nice little stack of things to work with. I was thinking of making a video, just doing some decorative clusters. And then I also had an idea of doing a craft hack video. So like tips and tricks to do certain things when you don't have the specific supply or tool that you need. It's just that I need to come up with a list that would make it make sense to actually record a video. So I need 3 or more items, or 3 or more hacks at least. I also have some footage on some different ways to use printable inserts that I never edited, and I wanted to change one of the ideas and I never recorded that. So I don't know. I don't even remember what I wanted to change it to. I know I wrote it down somewhere, so I'll have to look. I think I wrote it in my work planner. So I'm going to look in there and see. But yeah, I have footage that I really need to go ahead and edit and get up. So maybe I'll look into that today as well. I don't want to work too much today though. Kind of want to just chill and do fun stuff. So probably working in my journals, working on those journals, getting those done is going to be a good idea. And I kind of want to work on, see, I'm more and more work. I kind of want to do another vintage or journaling kit. I don't know if I want to do vintage. Maybe I shouldn't do vintage. Maybe I should do a more modern kit, because that's something that you don't see. But I don't know if people even would care to do a modern. I think they would. I think they would. I might try that. That might be my new niche. Instead of making everything vintage and coffee stained, and yeah. I kind of did that with my Planner Queens journal. I kind of tried to give it a more modern feel. But I don't know if I was successful with that or not, because I haven't finished the journal. But yeah, that's the kind of look that I was going for. And I'll put a link in the iCard so you can see, or is it over here? It's over there. So you can see which journal I'm talking about. But yeah. So I have that one with me. I have the coffee journal that you've seen the cover for here. I'll put a link in the iCard. And I have what I'm going to call, I guess, the spring journal. It's a fabric covered journal from fabric that my mom gave me. So I have all 3 of those that I can work on. I have plenty of chipboard boxes so that I could just make covers and covers and covers on covers. Ooh, the sun is trying to peek out. So I also have, my hair is like weird today too. I also have a teeny tiny book that I made out of a snack size Nerds box. So I'm going to show some video or a picture or something of that here that I need to actually finish. I think it's really cute. It's really tiny, and I want to make more tiny or small journals. I don't think I want to make them that small, but maybe like, I don't know, 3x4 or 2x3, something like that. Not only would that allow me to use up some scraps, it's also just cute and fun to do. Also, before all of this went haywire, I got some Happy Mail that I recorded unboxing but did not get to post. So yeah, I've got some thank you notes I need to send out. And I've read, as far as etiquette, that it's never too late to send a thank you note, because I'm embarrassingly late with sending them, but I still want to do that. But I don't even have any supplies or anything here to do that. I guess I could make a thank you card. I don't know. I could do that. I could do that. I have cardstock, and I have embellishments, and I have printable papers and stuff like that. So maybe I could do that today, or start preparing to be able to do that. So anyway, I have lots of ideas of things to do. Now let's, fingers crossed, I hope I can go in here and actually execute and not just sit there and be like, oh, I need to do this. I need to do this. I should be doing this. So, but I'm not, no pressure. I haven't done a plan with me either. And this week, the theme for the Scrapcraftastic weekly challenge is books and planners. And I have some die cuts and stickers that will work great from Fabulously Creative. So I don't know. I'm going to do the spread. I just don't know what planner I'm going to do it in. So far, I've really been enjoying my Skinny Classic, but maybe I'm going to do it in my standard traveler's notebook. Anyway, I don't know. So, and also I forgot to post, I'm supposed to do a PR post for Fabulously Creative on Fridays in the group, and I forgot, completely forgot. I didn't write it down, and I haven't been using my work planner, so yeah, I forgot. So I got to make up for that. And I have ideas of what I wanted to do. I just didn't do it. I don't know what I was thinking about Friday, but it just, and I had thought about it Wednesday. It's like, yep, get ready to make your post on Friday. And then I just completely forgot. So anyway, I had to make up for that. And I'm starting to really miss having my supplies, even though I've had Nate and Jazz send me a lot of the things, like necessities, so that I could at least be able to do a few things. I really miss like having my printers and my digital cutters. So for anybody that's like into paper crafting or anything like that, having a printer at your disposal and having a digital cutter, whether it's a Cricut or Silhouette, is excellent. Having those digital cutters is it's a good investment. Sometimes, I would be at home and not using them as much as I thought I should be, and was like, maybe I wasted my money for getting these, but no, it was a good investment. After I sat there and fussy cut all that stuff yesterday, yeah, because it took hours. I also miss my Sizzix Big Shot too, because I could just pop a die in, pop a piece of paper in there, roll the thing, and voila, it's die cut, whatever shape, dies that I have. So yeah, my hair feels flat in the back. Why? I don't think the twist out thing works that great for me now. I think my hair is like at a weird length that it doesn't really work. It doesn't curl really, it kind of just sticks wavy, twisty looking and sticks straight up. So it's not at the broken neck stage yet. So it's still in the stick straight up in the air stage. Once it gets to the broken neck stage, I think that when it starts to like flop over, I think the twist out will be better. So anyway, let me go in here so I can get this edited and up on the channel before it starts storming, because I don't know if we're gonna lose power or what's gonna happen. So anywho, so that's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.